Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Manor Lord games into your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to open up your any browser and here in the Google search box just type the Manor Lords, which is the game name, and just hit the enter and you will just scroll down and you will see the website Steam. Just click on the Manor Lords on Steam to open it, and now here you have to just simply click on the login option you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, you just need to simply sign into your account if you have an account, and if you don't have an account, just scroll down and click on the create an account option. And now you can just simply create account on your Steam. Then simply give your email address and then create an account. So after that, click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top and just simply install the Steam setup for Windows. Click on that option. So once it was downloaded, now just click on the Steam setup to open it and install it. And now the Steam installation setup was open. Click on the next option. Select your language from here. Click on the next. Select the location where you want to install it and then hit the install option. So once you install it into your PC, I have already installed, so I can just opening it. And now here click on the search box you are seeing on the top, and now here you can just type the Manor Lords, which is the game name, and just hit the enter and the first game will come up which is the Manor Lords. Just click on that game, scroll down and you will see the add to cart option. It is the $19. So just click on that, click on the view my cart option, and then here you need to just click on the continue to payment option. And once you click on that, you can pay with your PayPal or pay with your any card, and then it will start downloading and installing into your PC. So guys, this is how you can download and install Manor Lord games into your PC. And if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good day.